Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says 12 minus the quantity 2 cubed minus 5 plus 9 minus 7. So I'm going to start with grouping symbols. I have both brackets and I have parentheses. In fact, I have two sets. If you have grouping symbols inside other grouping symbols, you work from the inside out. So I'm going to work 2 cubed minus 5 and 9 minus 7 as the first step. I know that 2 cubed is 8, so this will be 8 minus 5. So I will have 12 minus 3 plus 9 minus 7 is 2. I still have a grouping symbol with the brackets. 3 plus 2 is 5, so I will have 12 minus 5, which is 7.